What's going on YouTube? How's it going, y'all? It's Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm here to do a little review and a sort of unboxing for a certain item that you're about to see. And what is it? Ah, you're about to know. But then let me play a little music. With Heartbeat JJAMZ. Heartbeat's the name of the music, and just for the name of the artist. JJAMZ is the name. So, I'm going to show this brand what you're about to see. It's the Seiko, but I'm not convinced this is even the right number. And I bought this like what, over about 7 years ago. I think it's 6 years ago, because this was 2013 when I bought it, and this is the one I bought in this came out in 2012. It's a Seiko Sports 5 Sports SNZF17J1. Actually, it's the Seiko 5 Sports SNZF17J1. So yeah. This is part of the Seiko Sports 5 series, and I gotta say, it's pretty cool. And with that, let's show what's in here. Where's the watch? Where's the watch? Me no. So, it comes in this pillow. And of course, here are the links. And nothing in here, but here's these dedicated for the Seiko Elite Club. You gotta just do what you do here, but whatever. I don't even know what happened to the tag. I know I think I might have lost it. Oh well. Here's the manual, how it's done. To the record, this is a caliber, of course, of the number. That's all caliber is it right now, but I'm just trying to make sure. And here's the warranty card. Right underneath here, it says safe. So let me just close this off. Back these leftover links. And let's get to the next thing. Bam! Oh, a little bit of something. I mean, I've worn this during 2013 and then up to 2014, but it is a good piece. Took it to hang with friends and other things. But I'm not gonna beat the hell out of this. No. It's too unique. It's unique. All in all, this is, of course, one of the best pieces ever. I don't care. I mean, I got big on Seiko, and this is like one of the best pieces they've ever made. Of course, and this came out at the same time Avengers 1 was released. Marvel's Avengers. Little coincidence there. And with that, let's see. And you do the hacking by pushing this crown like about an inch, and you start changing the dates. Pull it all the way, you're changing the hours. Yeah, but I'm just making sure I'm staying in the even of how my phone is connected. And with that, let's show the bezel movement. Hear that. Listen to the bezeling move. Tell me something, you've never seen anything like that before. And I mean, all in all, it was polished. Heck, but all in all, it's great. And let's see, am I missing anything in here? Can't even tell if it's the caliber movement. I believe it's right there somewhere. Ooh, let me see. Ooh, little lid. All in all, I can't even tell the movement, but let me see the number correctly. If I'm not mistaken, that it's a 7S36-03. 7S 36-03C0. Huh. Movement, of course. Obviously. And got Seiko on the clasp. And this is how the steel is and everything. Stainless steel, good. And the movement. I mean, listen to the, look at how the mechanisms work. And all in all, it is great. With that, hey, let's put it next to the Seiko Monster Lume. Heck, who was ready to see that? Prior to the release of the summer of 2012. Just give me a sec. Make sure everything's turned off. Nonetheless. Now time to brighten up some looms. Loom. 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 That's it. Show off them looms. Show off them and all. When you got your looms, glow in the dark. Heck. And but before I show off the loom and everything, including the design, of course, and of course the loom on my Seiko. To be clear on this base, you don't change the base on the Monster. I already glued mine using those Play-Doh glue things, substance on the foot of the Seiko Monster. Too bad I wasn't hardly because I was excited for it. So this comes with the black thing so you could put your Monster. Or if you wait and make sure that thing is safe, you can order it on the side, of course. Just to be clear, I gotta go check Random Rob's channel, of course, for the of course. And with that, you can choose whatever of the of how you call it. Oh, here it is. Let me just see. Okay. Here we go. Look for a store for Spectra 3D Tech. Pretty sure he would sell some of the Seiko Lume monsters, if I'm not mistaken correctly. Here it is. Yep, and the base comes with it. And let me see his shop, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, here it is, Spectra 3D. Here's his page, of course. And of course, to those who want, you can either get the black dial Doom. You have to order it on the site. It doesn't come with the same thing as the Lume Monster, because the one that comes with it, it already has this, not attached to it. You have to attach it yourself using the glue substance, which I showed you in the instructions on my previous video of the review of this. And of course, if you want to get one that can glow in the dark, you can either get the black dial Lume indice. Here is the same one. Here's the full dial Lume, orange dial Lume, and orange dial base. The one you just saw right here, which is the one you're staring at, is the black dial base, not Lume. So yeah, if you want to get that, you're gonna have to order on the side. That's about okay. For these two, $12.50. This, $10. Orange dial base, $9. Black dial Lume indice, $10. And this is the Link Monster, but this is a small version. It hits like a toy. But whatever you do, don't play around with this, not even as well as take a beat out of it. Yeah, never do that. So be extreme careful. And I'm gonna leave you in a link in the description box down below with that. And of course, this is $89, of course. So yeah, if you want to get that, that's about $20. Here, the special edition, limited, of course, unfortunately. Glow in the dark laminate PLA. Boy, it looks very camo-ish color. Here, let's take a little zoom, dudes and dudettes. This is how it is. kind of like camel color, but when it glows in the dark, voila. I'm telling you. Only limited to 20 pieces, but dang. 119 bucks? Huh, you're pulling my chain, yo. I'd rather be sticking with 89 bucks. That's all I'm sticking with. So yeah, it's your choice if you want to get a full Lume so you can have it all Lume, or you want this one, or you just want the orange style base. It's your choice how you want it, of course. So I'll leave you that in the link in the description box down below. And with that, with the end of this video, I'm going to show the Lume shots. And of course, with the side of my Seiko Sports 5. Heck, let me just show it off. Heck, I'm missing you guys to see glow in the dark. You want to see glow in the dark. That's right. That's all you got to see. Glow in the dark. That's how it is, and that's how you're going to get it. Shoutouts to Random Rob, shoutouts to Bruce Williams, shoutouts to Spectra 3D Tech, Spectra Tech 3D, that is, if it is his name, because I'm very pleased with this piece. Heck. So yeah, you can have this for a display purpose in your office or in your man cave, but you gotta be careful not to like rugged abuse with it. No. If they ever made a design like this, it'd be super duper worth it. But you gotta be extreme careful, y'all. Really. Very extreme careful to the details. Very carefully. So. Okay. What do you guys think so far? Glow in the dark. Magnifico, isn't it? Let me give you a full view, man. So, what do you guys think? Tell me what you guys want. Tell me what you guys think. And also, if you want to get one, link will be in the description box. Your choice. So, and also, the watch, not included. So anyway, this is Sparky Marky Mark. I'm signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. See you all the next vid.